Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify inventory alerts. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Setting up Shopify inventory alerts are pretty simple. So what you need to do is, first of all, you're going to be heading over to the top search bar and type in here alerts, or you can say like inventory alerts. Once you search that, you're going to be searching it in App Store. Make sure to keep that in mind. And you can see we have various type of flow stock alerts. You can head over to that, and it's going to be really helpful in notifying you for whether it is on your email or phone. So it's going to be helping you to get your inventory organized and in stock. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.